This is worked example 11 from exercise 7.04. It's on page 256 of your book if you're interested. Now, the question is how much must Tony invest at 5% per annum compound interest to obtain 7,800 in 4 years' time. Now, in the last example, we learnt that we can write the future value equals the present value, 1 plus I to the n. And to be honest, when I'm doing these questions, because this time we are looking at how much must Tony invest. So how much must Tony invest? So in this time we're looking to put in the future value. And I have to say, I just use this same formula and do the algebra of dividing by the I, this last section. However, the book does it for you. So it says, it swaps it around and says the present value is equal to the future value multiplied by 1i to the minus n. So in this case, this is the bit that's different. And just as a little aside, if we went over here and did that, if we went my way and said that equals the present value, now to get rid of the 1 plus I to the n, we divide both sides by that, so we would end up with 1 plus I to the n. Now, if you remember your index laws, when n is on the bottom, when this power is to the bottom, we can still write it the same, but it's a negative power. So this phrase here is actually equal to future value times 1 plus I to the negative n. So that's just how they do that. Either way is acceptable. I'm just going to get rid of this explanation bit and we'll do the problem. I'll do the problem using the formula based on the book. Coming back to blue pen, how much must Tony invest? So her future value is equal to 7,800. Her interest rate is 5% as a decimal. There's no compounding period is 1, so that makes life a little bit easier for us in the maths here. And the n is 4 times 1, so we have 4. So if we pop that into our calculator, PV equals 7,800, 1 plus 0.05 to the negative 4. Okay, and if I put that in, I end up with her future value, because it's only 4 years. I'd like to think my money compounds faster than this, but it doesn't. I'd have to invest $117.08 dollars. So Tony would need to invest $6,417.08, so that in 4 years' time she has $7,800.